Airplanes are one of the most incredible inventions in modern travel. But let's be honest, most people still have no idea about the small hacks that can make flying way easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Whether you're a rookie flyer or a seasoned jet setter, these 15+ straightforward air travel tips are ones you'll wish you learned sooner. But before we take off, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This support directly helps me improve my content from day to day. Let's kick things off with something cold, literally. Window seats are perfect for the view, but they're also significantly colder. Why? The outside air at cruising altitude can plunge to -140 degrees Fahrenheit, and that cold transfers through the fuselage and right to your seat. If you're dressed light for summer and pick a window seat, you're in for a frosty surprise. The solution? Dress in layers or ask the flight crew for a blanket. It's a tiny ask that makes a big difference. Next up, let's talk about what you're sipping. Coffee and tea on board might sound comforting, but here's the gross truth. The water used often comes from tanks that don't get cleaned nearly enough. Tests have found E. coli and staph bacteria in them. Some flight attendants won't touch it themselves, and that should tell you all you need to know. Want to play it safe? Stick with bottled water or sealed juice. Cleaner, smarter. Brace yourself. The dirtiest parts of the plane, not the bathrooms. It's the tray tables and seatback pockets. Those pockets collect everything. Used tissues, food wrappers, trash, and the tray tables? People literally change diapers on them. Here's the move. Bring disinfectant wipes. Don't put food directly on the tray. And keep your personal items inside your own bag. If you get to choose your flight time, always go for the earliest one. Why? Because delays stack up throughout the day. Morning flights typically take off with fewer hiccups and are less likely to be affected by ripple effect delays. Plus, the air tends to be calmer earlier in the day, meaning less turbulence. If you're not a fan of bumpy rides or tight timelines, morning is your golden hour. Now let's talk seating, not just for legroom or views, but for service. If you're toward the back of the plane, you're more likely to get extra attention from the crew. Why? It's easier for them to hand you an extra snack or blanket without every other passenger seeing. Up front, they have to be discreet. In the back, they've got more freedom. Sure, you'll exit the plane later, but you might just feel like a VIP while you're on board. Travel pillow in tow? Good. But don't inflate it all the way. Cabin pressure shifts mid-flight can make an overinflated pillow expand or get awkwardly firm. It's uncomfortable and can even burst. Instead, inflate it just enough to keep your neck supported. Nothing more. Comfy, safe, and smart. Chicken or pasta? Why settle? You can pre-select a special meal, vegetarian, kosher, seafood, gluten-free, when you check in online. You don't need a dietary restriction to choose one. And here's the best part. They're usually fresher, sometimes tastier, and get served before the standard options. More flavor, faster service, zero extra cost. Easy win. Shorts might seem like a great idea, but airplane seats aren't exactly clean. Hundreds of people sit in them every week, and airlines rarely deep clean between flights. Stick to jeans or joggers. More coverage, more warmth. Always carry a pen when flying internationally. Customs forms still exist and you'll need one. Hate turbulence? Book a seat over the wings. That's the plane's center of gravity, meaning fewer bumps. Download your airline's app before leaving home. It gives you real-time updates on gate changes, delays, boarding zones, and baggage claims. Some even let you rebook if your flight gets canceled. Hydration trick. Bring an empty reusable bottle. Fill it up past security. Skip the $5 bottled water. Don't rely on airport outlets. They're either full or broken. Carry a power bank. It'll save you stress and keep your devices alive. Search flights in private browsing mode. Travel sites track you and may hike prices if they see you've been searching. Clear cookies too, just in case. Want the perfect seat? Use Seat Guru. It breaks down legroom, recline range, and bathroom proximity. A 30-second check could save you hours of discomfort. Let's face it, airports are built to drain your wallet. But what if you could game the system? Here are 11 legit airport freebies that most people miss. Airport Wi-Fi always comes with a catch. 30 free minutes, then a paywall. Here's how to get around it. Switch your device to airplane mode when the time runs out. Wait a few seconds. Turn Wi-Fi back on. Boom, you're a new user. Rinse, repeat, and stay online for free. Bonus savvy travelers even share promo codes for free full access. Do a quick search. After a long-haul flight, all you want is a hot shower. But paying for a hotel room just to rinse off? Nope. Many airports, like Singapore Changi, Tokyo Narita, and Dubai, offer free shower facilities right inside the terminal. And if your airport doesn't, ask about lounge access. Delays and long layovers sometimes qualify you for a free pass, and lounges almost always have clean spa-like showers. Don't fall victim to the luggage cart hustle. Some airports charge a ridiculous fee just to move your own bags a few hundred feet. But top-tier airports, like Singapore Changi, Seoul Incheon, and Dubai, offer carts for free. No drama, no payment. Stuck with a long layover? Don't waste it. Airports like Doha, Istanbul, and, you guessed it, Singapore, offer free guided city tours for transit passengers. Transportation, tickets, and even meals are often covered. Check at the transit or information desk after landing. Turn your layover into a mini adventure. Airport food is expensive and usually disappointing, but samples? Totally free. Duty-free stores, especially those selling chocolate, perfume, or alcohol, love handing out freebies, and some vendors near busy gates offer food samples to draw people in. Taste your way through the terminal without spending a dime. If you're stuck overnight, don't suffer in a plastic chair. Many airports have hidden quiet zones, complete with comfy lounge chairs, ambient lighting, and even nap pods. Search for airport-named sleep spots before your trip. You'll be amazed what you find. Phone about to die? Check under benches, behind trash bins, or near gate seats. Some outlets are camouflaged into the airport design. Power up without begging for a spot. Arriving in a new country? Some airports, like Dubai and Singapore, offer free SIM cards preloaded with data and calling credit. Perfect for getting around, calling a ride, or checking maps before you even leave the terminal. Ask at the info desk or look for signage. Taxis and ride shares draining your travel budget. Airports like Zurich and Hong Kong offer complimentary rides to the city center via shuttle, tram, or train. Do a little research before your trip, and you could skip the fare and stress. There you have it. Over 20 air travel tips and airport freebies that save money, reduce stress, and make flying actually enjoyable. Remember, airports are designed to squeeze your wallet dry. But now you know better. Fly smart, fly sharp. And hey, what's the best airport freebie you've ever found? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, safe travel.